Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Ford Edge first generation guys and you're trying to find common problems, things that go bad and how to repair things on Ford Edge guys, stay with us and we're going to cover all that today. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including guys this generation Ford Edge, we make at least 200 videos, maybe even 300 guys on all our channels. Why? Because our mission guys here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Now if you guys need to buy any replacement parts for your Edge or any tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get parts and tools from guys. This is a 2009 Ford Edge. As you know guys, we have three channels guys. We have Electrical Car Repair Live that covers electrical components, world mechanics, and auto repair guys cover mechanical wise. Okay, mechanical problems and electrical problems. So we guys have more than 200 videos combined, probably close to 300 videos. We took the whole car completely apart almost guys. We took the engine all the way apart. We have videos about every single fuse and relay, where they're located, so check it out guys. Now we guys, this is a 3.5 V6 engine. We actually took one apart for cylinder head replacement, head gasket replacement, timing chain, timing marks, a water pump. Okay, on that car guys, water pump is driven by the timing chain. So you just hope that doesn't happen to you, but sooner or later you need to get a new pump guys and replace it. So the video is on the channel. It takes quite a bit of work to do it, but if you replace the pump you have to replace the timing chain because you're already there guys. Don't save money. Now if you buy a used Ford Edge, always make sure that the water pump on a higher mileage vehicle was actually replaced, because otherwise if you go to a shop they'll charge you a ridiculous amount of money. You can do it yourself by watching our videos if you want to guys. Now electrical components, diagnosing, engine codes, all that will be on Electrical Car Repair Live, our second channel. Check it out. We even have videos for every single fuse okay in that car guys. You have inside, outside fuses. We have videos guys that explains actually how to even take door panels apart guys, completely, okay. Dual window regulators, all that will be on Electrical Car Repair Live. Replace airbags, steering wheels, cruise control switches, clusters, all that guys will be there. Climate control radios, we explain why a radio will not work on Ford Edge as well. Another thing guys, we'll be having diagnosing problems, okay, codes, fuel pumps, all that will be there guys. Check it out. So as I said, we have guys three channels. Check each one of them. Auto repair guys, world mechanics, and Electrical Car Repair Live if you have a Ford Edge or if you're about to buy a Ford Edge, and you can find the playlist and watch the video guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful for any of you trying to buy an Edge, and if you want to work on them, you want to see how hard it is or how easy. It really depends. Some things are super easy to fix, some not so easy, but thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.